What's up, Streetboard family? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Simon Johns, and today we're going to be learning the Fisher twist. This is going to be a flatland trick that requires no bindings and can be performed on either a cruiser or a freestyle board. The trick itself is named after James Fisher, one of the original inventors of the sport. It really shows off the control and the unique movements that make these boards ride different. Now, before you set out to try the Fisher twist for the first time, just make sure that you can already move easily, you can stop, and you can also ride backwards or fakie for a short period of time. If you've not yet seen the how-to videos on those maneuvers, there'll be links in the description box below to help you get prepared. The first time you try this trick, it's going to be helpful to have a set of reference points. You can use anything from rocks to tree branches, but in this example, we're just going to use a set of cones. Find a smooth, flat surface and place the cones out in front of your riding path so you can ride in between them. There are multiple variations of the Fisher twist that you can go on to learn. The easiest of those variations is the backside Fisher twist, so that's what we will be learning in this video. You can break this trick down into 3 steps. Step 1, the park. When going into a backside twist, approach the cones so that they are in front of you, or frontside approach. Turn your toes together and have your board pull in between the cones as if you were parking a car. The park method can be a bit challenging, and you may find yourself having to do a full circle to slow yourself down. Just make sure you end up back in between your 2 reference points. Step 2, the look. The look is definitely the tricky part. Keep your eyes, head, and shoulders from twisting into the cones. Try to keep them forward and in the direction of where you are going. This will bind up your body and stop your board from moving. Step 3, the twist. Turn your head while swinging your arms and shoulders around to force the board to change direction. At first, you may feel a little bit disoriented. Really think about the look and the twist to get a smooth direction change. This can make the flat ground really fun and pretty amazing to watch. We hope this video was of value to you today. We definitely think the Fisher twist is easy to learn, fun to master, and will help you ride better on your streetboard. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and stay up to date with all our latest content. Until next time, peace out.